prosperity even though they generated more income from selling wool?
Yeah. Why did they fail to enjoy more prosperity even though they made more income from selling their wool? It's right there at the end, right? I hope that kind of actually reveals the answer. Does that sort of reveal the answer? You made more money in a particular way. Why didn't your overall prosperity go up? Well, maybe because you didn't make as much in some other way. And that's why answer choice C is correct. What are the three problems with A? Paulina, do you know?
Is talking about the price of wool sold domestically, and these
Okay.
sheep farmers is talking a lot about their international.
Yeah, they sold a whole bunch internationally, right? So we don't really care that the prices rose more rapidly than the wool sold domestically. What else?
And then if prices in general, if all the prices are going up,
Mm-hmm.
then international price of wool would be going up too, so it wouldn't necessarily affect the margin.
Wait, how can you say that? Because it says prices in general are rising. Maybe the international ones didn't.
I guess so. But when it's still not really matter because it's talking about the wool sold domestically.
Maybe. Maybe comes back to that problem. Does anyone else see the stopgap that they put in here? Yes, Dewan?
It's 1810.
Okay, that's another problem,
Okay.
right? At the end of the 1800s. So you got two of the problems here. We got talking about domestic wool prices, talking about at the end of the 1800s, which may not be, this was to 1860, right? So this could be dealing with the 1880s. Audrey, do you know the other reason? Christina? Okay, I actually hadn't thought about that. That's another problem. What else we got here?
Wait, so are we addressing why? So they tell us though that they made more money like from international sale, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
So then it doesn't matter if prices in general rose in Australia.
Yeah, but why? You can make more money, but all the prices could go up, and then you can't buy as many things with the money you earned.
That could leave you.
Right.
They address this in the passage. They take care of this issue. Yes.
Well, they're still richer. They have more money.
Why?
They can't.
If you have a lot of money, but the prices have all gone up, now you could actually be poor, right?
Not if it's
Hyperinflation?
adjusted for inflation.
Is it?
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
What is it?
Adjusted for inflation. It's the first three words. I know it's easy to miss. So, adjusted for inflation takes care of the pricing problem. You cool with that, Paulina? Yes, that's why they put that in there. Okay, good. So, so there's actually four problems. My mistake. Why is answer choice B wrong?
Because it's just talking about domestic.
Domestic, we don't care as much. Remember, they sold a lot less of that. So the fact that the prices went down dramatically is not a big deal because they made most of their money from the international sales. Answer choice C. Do we understand why this is correct?
No.
Because it said no. Okay, so the international and domestic prices for these other things, which are, by the way, produced by all Australian sheep farmers, fell sharply during the period in question. So all Australian sheep farmers sell these things, including this family. That's what this answer choice is telling us. And the prices for those things dropped dramatically. So they didn't make as much money
Okay. Based on the
from
other
this.
stuff.
So yeah, it's like if you sell shampoo and conditioner and you sell a lot more shampoo, but everyone's like, no, conditioner is, carcinogenic. Then you stop selling that, you may not make any more money than you did before.
Couldn't that be like the same line of reasoning for B though? Because if it's talking about how they've had more international than domestic, couldn't the change?
It's a very good thought. But they said that the income earned from wool sales went up, so we don't care about the internal battle of wool sales. Very good point, though. Like you do, like we have this battle between shampoo and conditioner, or in this case, wool and sheepskins. And that battle we do care about, but we don't care about the internal battle between international and domestic because they said overall their sales went up. Yeah. For that category. So good question. That's a stronger reason to get rid of B. Why is D wrong? Yes.
If D were true, then they wouldn't have made more money from wool?
Well, not necessarily. We can't go against the passage. So they did make more money, but if it left them in a less favorable position than previously, what does that even mean?
They're poorer.
No, it just means like in their market going forward, they're not as good of a position. So maybe it'll be harder to sell wool in the future, but it doesn't say anything about the money they made.
Okay.
They're just not as in good of a position. Okay, sort of like McDonald's, right? People are slowly moving away from that because it's unhealthy.
Less favorable.
Less favorable position, even though they may have made a lot of money in the past. Okay.
Their sales are growing now, though, because of everyday breakfast.
Yeah,
All day breakfast.
all day breakfast and every day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
their,
strong
their first
international.
quarterly growth.
They
Yeah.
are very
Congratulations. You're absolutely right. Yeah.
Fun business fact for everyone.
In
Thank you.
Canada, it's really good. In France, it's very good.